Hi guys! I'll give you a tour in my mother's garden in our small farm. But don't expect too much because I don't know most of the names of these plants. So here, but I do know some. Here you'll see small, very young, less than a year old wave of love plants. And this bigger plant here is 3 to 4 year old wave of love. So this was my first ever purchase when I got back in GenSan last year due to the work from home situation. And here are some of the plants. Here I see wandering juice before. And so we're going back a little and then see the other side of the garden and some more plants here. My mother's actually always been into gardening and plants, but since we lived in a congested subdivision with very little space for our house, we were only able to have very few potted plants. So we lived there for more than 20 years. So when our parents retired and we were able to afford a bigger space, my mom started gardening, of course, with the help of my father. So my father did all the lifting and he put all the pebbles over there. Here's another wave of love. Also among my first purchases. And as you can see there, it's got a fruit already with those red stuff. So that's how you propagate. You'll get the seeds from there and plant the seeds. And this is my favorite section actually with the Monstera adansoni. So I'll be zooming in my first purchase, which was, this is the mother plant. So I purchased it for 300 pesos. Yeah, that one. So it looks old because it's the mother plant. And this one, it my aunt gave it to me. It's just one leaf at the time, around 8 months ago. Now it's got so many leaves already and it's so tall. But my mother doesn't want to cut the leaves and propagate. And here, the smaller monsteras. As you can see, like those in pots just with one leaf, those are propagated. Those were propagated from my 300 peso monstera. And now we're seeing butterfly plant, which my mother wasn't able to propagate. She doesn't know how. And here's bird's nest. Yeah. Also among my first purchases, actually I purchased only like big plants. So here's vine. No, is it vine? Oh, here. Some wandering juice, but I don't know what those plants on the side are. Okay. Yeah. And another wave of love. I really love wave of love. My favorite. We've got like 5 big ones. And we're starting to propagate because we have seeds already. So another part of the garden. So we have more wandering juice there. And then let's walk over there. Some pothos, small pothos. I think these are peace lily. So we have a lot of those too. So I always joke with my mom that I'm going to sell these peace lily and the other plants. Oh, we have 2 rubber plants from Tita Vicky. Shout out to my Tita Vicky for giving me those plants. So they were really small when she gave me those. And here's another wave of love. The most beautiful, but it doesn't have like fruits yet. Yeah, or whatever you call them. Oh yeah, some pothos, ferns. Another view of the bird's nest. And a hanging type of fern plant, I think. And this is, yeah, some kind of Adansoni. I'm not sure. This is the Calathea corner. So, my mother, I think, has more than 8 types of Calathea. But I don't know any of them. Like the specific names. Maybe this one's Peacock Calathea. So here's another view, and in a bit we'll be leaving this corner and we'll go to another corner which I don't know most of the plants. Okay. Here I have absolutely no idea what this is and this, and I'm not sure if this is Prince of Orange, but it does look orange, at least that one leaf over there. My mom's very proud of that purchase, the other plant, because she bought it for like only for less than 1,000. Oh, let's go back a little because I spotted I think oh no, not yet. Oh, there. So I can spot the pink princess, also given by my tita Vicky. So her garden is like has more plants than ours. Yeah, some more plants that I don't recognize. So I joke with my parents and like tease them that, hey, can I sell these plants or should I wait until I get them as my inheritance? I never really like pushed through with those plants. Yeah, here are some, what you call that? I can't even remember. Snake plants, yeah. Some hanging plants. I don't know what these are. Like, oh, maybe wandering juice. And I don't know. So Eric, you said that you want some hanging plants. Come visit and you'll get some. So there, we're almost at the end of the tour. So I hope you were able to identify some of the plants and key in the comments section. And we have some Mayana over there. And this portion, I don't know if they have other plants for that. It's quite bare. And like some flowering plants over there. So I think that's it.